Hello, Deployment Insiders, and welcome back to another episode here in Building 36, home of the Office Engineering team, where each episode we're going to provide you tips, tricks, and best practices on how to make your deployment easier. And as promised, today we're going to talk about how to manage that What's New panel within the Office apps. So let's get right to it. We first launched the What's New feature to give users a quick and easy way to learn what features are available to them on a periodic basis. Now, this gets triggered based on what channel the apps are getting their updates from. If you're on the monthly channel, then you will see this typically once a month, versus if you're on the semi-annual channel, which gets new features twice a year within January and June, you would then see that What's New panel then. Now, we've gotten a lot of positive feedback that users like to see what has been delivered and each and every update, but in certain cases we might expose new features that has dependencies on an Office app that you haven't deployed. Now in this case, you'll want to ensure that your users don't see that feature and get confused, and in some cases produce a help desk call asking for that missing Office app. Fear not, this is where the What's New management feature comes in to help you manage what your users see. It gives you the ability to manage the experience by exposing and hiding what is shown in the What's New content pane. Let me show you how this works. Let's start by going to config.office.com, and you're going to want to sign in with a Office 365 credentials that has either a global administrator privileges or the new Office apps admin rights. This was going to give you access to this portal, and then what you want to do is go to customization and click the What's New management, which will direct you into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. And in this console, you'll see a list of Office versions that are associated with that has associated features. For example, you can see 2001 and 1912, and you can start seeing the individual features that are available here, as well as which application they're applied to. For example, a more secure video experience applies to Word, and it's available on the monthly channel. And now what you're going to see on the status side is what is shown by default. Now you can go ahead and change any single one of these by clicking on it and saying hide from the user, or I can multi-select across multiple versions and click on hide, and this would change the status to hide from every single one of the users. Now this is great if you want to not show some of these features, or I can just turn it back and show them again to everybody. Now what you can do is you can click on any single one of these to see exactly what these features are. For example, this Inkstand replay, I can go ahead and click on the more information, which will pop up a separate page that will give me a description of exactly what is it, how do I actually use it, and great videos and other information about that feature itself. So you can review and really understand what you're going to be delivering to your individual users. I also have the option to go ahead and filter by any channel or by any particular application that will give me more information and focus directly on those applications. So if I wanted to look for PowerPoint, I can click on that and be able to see everything that is applied to PowerPoint across all the individual versions. If I want to go ahead and type in ink, it's going to go ahead and filter and search every new feature that has something to do with the new ink capabilities. We also have the capability to do multi-filtering. For example, let's say I want to see everything from Excel. That is only available to me in the monthly channel. And you can see all of these now have multiple filters associated to it. Now the What's New management has been available since November and is currently in preview. So head on over to config.office.com and check out these new capabilities. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification icon to know when we release new videos. Also, if you have any topics that you want to hear about on this channel or have a feature request that you would like for us to build, head on over to our brand new user voice site. And if you want to continue the discussion about this or any other Office related deployment topics, head over to our tech community site, where you'll be able to chat with me and a member of our engineering team and other IT admins from around the world. As always, we'll add the links at the bottom of the description below. So we hope to see you there. Until next time, keep on deploying.